How to create bold, italicized, or strike-through text. It's been around for a while now, but you'd be surprised how many people don't know about this neat WhatsApp trick. Simply put an asterisk at the beginning and end of the desired word or sentence and you can make it bold in WhatsApp. So if you'd like to bold the word biscuit in WhatsApp, you'll need to type biscuit. The same goes for italics, only with an underscore on either side of the desired text instead in WhatsApp. To strike through text, you'll need to add a tilde to the beginning and end of the desired passage in WhatsApp. There's also an option to create monospace text by adding 3 grave accents to either side of the text in WhatsApp. Want an easier way to do all this in WhatsApp? Then highlight the word or passage in question, tap more and choose from bold, italicize, strike through, or monospace in WhatsApp. This doesn't work on all devices though, so you might have to do the long way in WhatsApp.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for our appreciation. For more tips, tricks, and beneficial blog, please subscribe our channel. Topmost. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.